Hi guys, today I came for showing one of the market inside the Dushanbe because the other two markets are it was outside. So this is a market and this market has one speciality because this is electronic bazaar. All this electronic bazaar because this is the biggest shop for electronics. There you can find all the electronics like any phones or second-hand phones, everything. Everything is available in this market, so they will call this bazaar as electronic bazaar. And also you can say it as Sadberg bazaar, Sadberg market. And when it comes to entrance, you'll get all the food courts. And there are many shops like this in the starting. Then you can see all the electronic shops over there. These are all electronic shops. Inside also there are so many shops. And here it's a gold shop. You can see she is buying gift for her friend, so she wanna buy silver. And they have gold, silver and everything like exactly like Indian shop. This place almost covers to that long. You can see the end. There is another surprise thing I'll show you when we go there. And this is the main center of this place. Here you can find all the different types of things. If electronic bazaar, it's not only electronics, we can find anything, but this is mainly for electronics. सब कुछ है ना. And if you guys want some sweets or something, these are per kg. You can see per kg 60, per kg 30. Depends on the chocolate, you will get the prices. And these are like everything you can buy per kgs. When you don't want to buy that packets, loose, you can buy this. It's also like per kg.
Bu bir meşe var. Altta kalan meşe var. Meşe var.
Duplicate notes, and he is telling this dollar was 200 rupees. So if you guys want to cheat anyone, you can buy this.
Meşe var oraya.
हम तो हम ही रहे आज तक.
Не, если хочешь, я не.
This is how they sell fruits. They will sell outside, and you just ask them the price, and you have to take them. So now we have checked how the shops looks inside and how they sell everything. You just don't want to ask any price. They will mention the prices in the outside. So you just have to go grab them and just give it for the billing and pay the money and just get it out. So no need of learning your languages for it. Just you can go grab whatever you want, just ask the price, so just pay the money. You can see all the glasses. It's for 10 so money. It's almost like 100 rupees in Indian, and he is the owner of the shop. Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Chansa mashaka?
Dah sama.
Mile shaka. Bro,
के हिसाब से ये सही रहेगा ना?
this girl have spits. Then also she is trying so hard when you are coming with girls.
लड़के
गाइस उसने मुझे पानी नहीं पिलाया।
Shops like mobile cameras, like this they have bread, and this is milk. These are some of the things that we don't know.
And the there is yogurt and curd and there are different kind of things.
दिखा दो रखो दिखा
इसने तो बुरा किया ना, मुझे पानी की बोतल नहीं दिलाई, मुझे लेनी पड़ी 5 सौ की पानी की बोतल। सीरियसली
वो
मतलब
तो अमीर है आराम से सबसे।
नो आई एम नॉट अ रिच मैन बिकॉज इसके पास अभी बहुत सारे समोनी है, बस इसलिए इकट्ठा कर रहा है क्योंकि इसको खुद जाना है, दैट्स व्हाई। ओके
यार ये तो सब झूठ बोल रहा है, अब मत सुनो इसके बारे में,
आई एम नॉट लाई।
क्योंकि अभी गोल खरीदने के लिए गए ना।
चल आजा।
और इधर एक गवर्नमेंट का ऑफिस है, वो तो हमको पता नहीं है कौन से ऑफिस है, और इधर थोड़ा शॉप्स वो तो कंस्ट्रक्शन पे पड़ा है, सो वी कांट गो देयर। इट्स एक्चुअली देयर आर सम गुड शॉप्स, दे वर एक्चुअली क्लोज, सो वी कांट गो देयर। एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट्स इन दिस होल एरिया, and that was actually Tajik restaurant, so we can't try the food over there. You know the Tajik foods are good for them, but we can't feel good with the food because we need spice and everything, but they don't have any flavor for their food. They use only little flavors or pepper, so I don't like. You can see this is the railway station nearby. She was asking me from so many days to take me to railway station, but I never said that it was near the shopping area.
इसने मुझे बताया भी नहीं गाइस, मैं वन पीस फोरो करके आनी थी।
अब आज देख ले, उसके बाद आ जा तू खुद ही किसी के साथ।
क्यों आऊंगी तेरे साथ? आऊंगी
मेरे साथ क्यों आ गई हो तुम?
बस आऊंगी तो आऊंगी,
नहीं।
मेरी मर्जी।
मैं नहीं आता हूँ,
मैं तो आऊंगी।
मैं नहीं आता हूँ। And see guys, these are the she was ragging me to come here again. So and this was the railway station, so I will mostly try to show you in the next video how is the railway station and everything. You have seen that is the railway station area, and this is the area. Here you can find taxis for Noorak Dam. That is a place where the Tajikistan dam has like you know the Tajikistan dam was there, so you can take taxis from here, and if you want some good ones you can go from there you can take the sharing taxis. You can see this kind of shops everywhere. This place is under construction now, so I couldn't show any shops, and most of the shops are collapsed. Whenever they are doing some kind of boats, that means they are under construction. And here is one statue, I don't know who is this and what is this about. And इसका शक्ल मत देखा रहे आप लोग, ठीक है? इसका शक्ल देख के हमको वीडियो भी बनने के लिए मन नहीं आया था, इतना बुरा लगता है। चल, and here is the park and sitting area so that we can enjoy our time.
वो यहाँ पे धूप आ रही है, इतना तो मैं चली नहीं, उतना मैं चल। और मेरे लिए वहाँ से एक चीज़ भी लेके आएगा।
नहीं, एक भी नहीं आऊँगा, देख रहा हूँ मैं।
इसको लानी पड़ेगी।
नहीं, भाई, if she wants, she will ask to her boyfriend, not me.
येस आई हैव बॉयफ्रेंड, प्लीज़। मुझे पता है हज़ारों का दिल टूट गया होगा जब मैंने ये बोला होगा कि मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड है।
No expectations. Tell like no, we have no expectations.
ये तो दोस्त है, इसको कैसे एक्सपेक्टेशन रहेगी मुझसे?
भाई ये दोस्ती को भी बुरा लगता है यार, सब मांगता है, हम तो मेरे को तो मन नहीं है इससे।
ये ऐसे बकचोदी कर रहा है, आप लोग ध्यान मत दो। सो मेरा लास्ट में
कोई अमीर लोग है तो इसके पास आ जाए यार, हमारे पास तो पैसे खत्म हो गए।
आई डोंट हैव रिच एक्चुअली, बट मेरा दिल बहुत बड़ा है तो इस वजह से मुझे रिच।
ज़्यादा लोग आ सकते दिल के अंदर।
नो, मेरे
ज़्यादा घर है अंदर।
मेरे दिल में एक इंसान बसा है, बस मेरी आशिकी।
एक घर, एक रूम पे एक लड़का है बस।
नहीं,
तेरे दिल पे कितने रूम है?
ओनली वन।
नहीं, एक छामर में कितना रूम है?
नो, ओनली वन। ओनली माई बॉयफ्रेंड याशर अली नांग्याल।
ऐसा बोल के ज़्यादा लोगों को पता है अभी तक।
नहीं, मेरा एक ही बॉयफ्रेंड है जिसे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करती हूँ। आई लव दिस पर्सन, याशर अली नांग्याल है।
Yes, for how many people you told the same thing?
नो गाइज, नो।
And you can see the whole people are playing chess here and they are enjoying their own old times. And this park is so quiet, so when you wanna come, just you can visit the place and you can enjoy your time. And it's good for sitting also.
हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू मिनी व्लॉग। ये है कजाकिस्तान का रेस्टोरेंट, पता नहीं है क्या मिलता है।
There is a food place like chili.
खाने का
देखते आजा. And we tried asking them, but we are not enough money today. And this is some boba tea, some coffee shop. But it was like comfortable with prices. So if you guys want, you can try this. Now this is the shop for Paisa money. It's like in Indian discount shops. Here, mostly you can get all the things. So you can find all the detergents and everything, most of it. From electronics to small things, you'll get everything. But name was a Pansom shop. It's like 50 rupees shop. But you have to. There is all the different items. You just have to check. And you have to check the quality and everything. You have to choose whichever you want. Here you have from small things to big items, everything. If you want, you have toys also. If you have a girlfriend, don't get her here because she will ask everything. These all are like depends on the price and size. It's like a 50 rupees, 100 rupees. So depends on you if you want to buy. You guys can come and grab anything you want. We are seeing shops are electronic shops. So now we are choosing this. I'll show you. This is the way. It is called Electronic Bazaar.
You can see all the mobile shops and everything. There are different kinds of mobiles and everything. But I don't want to disturb anyone's business.
Infinix is that Indian brand.
Because when we go and ask them, they'll think we are gonna buy. So I don't want to disturb them. Let's go like a video.
This is the instant cabin. Guys, you can see this is iPhone 4. I don't know which model it is, and they have all the toys. And I was asking him, can he sell? But he told he's the owner. He told he can't sell them. And you have so many other brands you can choose. And this is the Indian brand, Poco. You can see here everywhere it is like electronics. It's like a full biggest bazaar. You can choose everything. You want anything from small cable to biggest mobile of new trending. You get everything. Guys, you seen that we came to the entrance from the back side of the route, and you understood now why it is called as Electronic Bazaar. And we seen like the railway station. In the next video we're gonna see railway station. And that's it for today, guys. I'm not looking good, so it's okay, fine.
So last में मुझे यही बोलना है, please support our channel, subscribe and share also. आज मुझे बहुत डिप्रेशन सा हो रखा है. तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड लाइक एंड शेयर एंड कमेंट भर के कीजिएगा. बाय, सी यू, फिर मिलेंगे.
वो तो ऑन नहीं है.
ओके, सॉरी, टाटा.
ऑन में नहीं किया.